Dear Logan, we really haven't known each other for that long yet. I feel like I've known you for forever. Tomorrow I will be your wife. The moment we have been waiting for our whole lives. Before I met you, I never knew my life could be this good. I gave up that any of this was possible. It could only ever happen to other people. March 14th, my life changed. Hearing about how well you worked with tools and could build things melted my heart. A week later, skiing down those slopes, the first time, I was horrible, but you were okay with that. You helped me back up and showed me that I could be vulnerable and still be loved. My heart was closed off, but I knew by just looking at you that my heart was safe and I could learn to trust again. Every day since, you've showed me how much you love me. When I've been sick and laying on the floor, when I fell in the box and could barely walk for days. Life isn't easy, nor do I want it to be. I want to spend every moment with you, the good, the bad, ugly, all that stuff. I want to wake up every morning to your face smiling down at me. I want to make you breakfast and do your laundry. I want to know that no matter what happens, I have someone to lean on and hold on while I cry. I want us to have babies together that look just like you with those beautiful ears. I want to have secrets. I want to have secret jokes that only you and I know what they mean. I want to grow old and sit on rockers in our front yard looking at sunset. I want to love you for eternity. Logan, I love you. I love every part of you. I love how you hold me, just wrapping your arms around me, that I know I'll be safe. I love looking up to see your laugh and the giant smile that spreads across your face. I love how hard of a worker you are and that you can fix about anything. I love your hair that I can run my fingers through and beard that makes you fall asleep when I rub it. I'm so excited to spend every loving day with you. I love you, Logan. Sincerely, your wife, Brianna.